Hello, everybody. Welcome to the complete review of a Maxi-Cosi Magellan car seat. It's a 5-in-1, and the best part about it is it starts right from the birth of your baby, and you can use it up till 10 years. It has some really great features such as height adjustment, and here you can see a close look of it. This is the side impact protection, and this is the height adjustment tab, and I will talk more details later about it. And down there, from here you can plug out the seat belt option, which I will show you just in a while. And it has all the instruction also written on the back of it, and and down there you can see the adjustment flap. It's really good. It has some really good features. So let's start right from the beginning. Right now, as you can see, I will start right from. I have removed all the clothes of it. So I will give you a complete details about this Maxi Magellan car seat. Let's begin. Okay, right in the beginning, you will see these two car seat holders. You These two belts, it goes right from the sideways, and it will stick to the uh, one of the option given in your car, so it will hold the seat and it will not move sideways. So this is the first option, and then here you can see this is removable bottle holder. So there are a total of two. So it's up to you if you want to keep them or if you want to remove them. It's totally up to you. So this is another good feature of it. Then this is the belt. It's pretty much coiled around. You can see. I'm showing you from where to put it out. And then here you can see it's the best part, the height adjustment for the according to the baby's age. And then there is a sideway adjustment also according to the height. It can be used for infant as well, so it's a really good option, and it's very easy to use. Okay, next up, this is the washable, removable, and washable cloth. So it's very comfortable, and once you feel it's dirty, you can wash it in any time. And the instruction is given in the booklet how to wash it. It's easily being washed in the washing machine, so it's not a big issue. It seems like I need really help from my wife to how to fix it. So you will just see it fixed in a moment. 1, 2, and 3. Here it's done. So then you can see the seat belts. The best part is you can there's a holder beside it, so that you don't have to hold it when you're placing your baby on it. Usually what happens is the baby sits over the belt and then you have to pull it out. So it avoids this awkward situation. These are the hooks for the sitting cloth. So I'll show you how to fix it. It's really very easy task. It don't need any rocket science. So you will just see it done in a while. And 1 2 3, here you go. Okay, so these two are for the backrest and the headrest. These are also very easily fixable. You can see it's pretty easy. You just need to give a little time to it. Now you will see it done like this. And then here you can see the buttons for the backrest. But you have to make sure that the belt is right in front of it, so that the buttons behind it can be tied to the back holders. It's a very comfortable chair, really. Here you can see the buckles. It's up to you how you adjust it. And one more thing I want to show you is the lever, how to move, how to flip forward the chair, make it rear facing, forward facing, or in the booster mode. So it's a very good lever to be used. Okay, back again. So these two covers will give more protection and cushion. This is how you fasten the seat belt, and it's adjustable and it's very easy. And these two buckles will go right to the bottom here. You don't have to combine it, each goes separate and it's separate place. Okay, and this is really adjustable, so no issues with that. You can see here, no rocket science at all. Okay, another very important feature, this is for the infants. Can you place it here, right here, to keep the infant in same position? And this is the chest, for the chest, and this is the seat. So it's really good to use, and some really important instructions written over it. I will show you in the by zooming it in, so you can read it very easily. That do not place the rear facing child seat on seat with airbag, because in infants it's really important. And see here, this is a really good feature to adjust the belt. I'm kind of enjoying it, doing it again for you, because I didn't show the bottom extension. And here, from these are the knobs which I didn't show you, which I was trying to find during the entire video. These are the knobs. And back to my favorite hobby. Yes, very nice, nicely done, mate. Okay, so this has also a good feature that you can adjust it according to your baby's weight and size. These are the buckles. You have to tie it like this. This is the zoom in option I'm showing you. Here you go. This is the best example you have seen so far. And below this is from where the car seat holder belts comes out. Here you can see these two buttons which I'm trying to place it. It's done. Finally done. All set to roll. Yahoo! Okay, hope you enjoyed this brief review. And in the end, I will show you one more thing. This thing. This is how it flips. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel, The Melange Fort.